Cue the intro. Welcome to Train Time 7. Let's get right into our first segment, Train Tune. And our tune today is from...
Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling up the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo! Cha-cha-cha-cha, choo-choo train rolling down the choo-choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo-choo! Rolling forward, round and round you go. Rolling backwards, slow, slow, slow. Chugga 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 choo choo. Cha 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 choo choo train rolling up the choo choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo choo. Cha 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 choo choo train rolling down the choo choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo choo. Rolling faster, round and round you go. Rolling slower, slow, slow, slow. Chugga 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 choo choo. Cha 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 choo choo train rolling up the choo choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo choo. Cha 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 choo choo train rolling down the choo choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo choo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Here we go. Cha 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 choo choo train rolling up the choo choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo choo. Cha 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 choo choo train rolling down the choo choo lane. I hear your whistle blowing loud. Choo choo.
Oh, that was a really fun song, Ballast. Okay, our next segment is Train Trivia. Hi, my name is Dan and I'm back as the host of Train Trivia. Today we have a contestant and his name is Tony. Hi, Tony. How are you? Welcome to Train Trivia. Are you ready to answer some questions?
Yes, I am.
All right, we got some questions about trains.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Ready? Question number 1. I'll make sure I'll look you in the eye, right? Okay, make sure. Why can't a train engineer be electrocuted?
Because he's not a conductor.
Oh, very good. Very good. You are smart. Okay, question number 2. Why can't a steam locomotive sit down?
He has a caboose.
Oh, kind of close. No, he has a tender behind. The tender is the car right behind that carries the coal. All right, question number 3. What do you call a train that's loaded with bubble gum?
Choo-choo train.
Correct, a choo-choo train. All right, next question. How do trains hear what you are saying to them?
They use their ears.
They're engineers.
Oh,
We'll give you full credit.
engineers.
Full credit for that one. Okay, next one. How do you find a missing train?
Follow its tracks.
Very good, follow its tracks. And the last question, What do you buy for a train conductor for his birthday?
Train.
No, sorry. Platform shoes.
Platform.
You did really well. You did really well. Well, thank you for being on Train Trivia. Wow, Tony was an excellent contestant on Train Trivia. Now it's time for Train Talk. Let's bring in the train. And here's Train Talk today with the Lego train. All right, look at this. Isn't this most cool? So this is a mock, my own creation. And it's got this is a double-decker car, 2 single cars, and a engine. There's a remote. So let's see. We can put a couple of tracks together here. This is Lego. I don't think we've had a Lego train yet. And let's see. We can put some tracks together here and see if we can get this thing to do a little demonstration. Let's see here. How's that going there? You use another, get that on the track. See if we can get another piece on the end, Ballast. Can you put that piece on the end there? Do you think that would be possible for you to put a piece on the end there? And then, all right, good. Heard that click in. Get that there. Put that one on there. Let's see, maximize the space here. See if we can get this to go around. One more car here. And you don't want it to fall off the table. Good. Alright, let's see if we can get one other little thing there. Yes, ballast. The engine. Alright, looks like you've run out of some room down there. I'm going to have to get the engine mounted up here. And yeah, turn it on, he says. Let's see, there's the button. Lights on. You want to use the control? Let's see if we can get this to move in our limited space here. Oh, hold on. Am I not on? Alright. There it goes. And it's moving. It's moving. It's moving. Stop. And back it up a little bit. You want another piece of track down there? Oh, a little bit of the slope. Maybe a little curve piece. Yeah, dealing with a little traction curve. Yeah. You get it? You want me to do it? Okay, you got to click in. Alright, it gives us a little bit more running room. Back it up. Okay. Alright, and you can make it go forward. Nice. Look at this Lego train. Isn't that cool? Very cool. Very cool. So we definitely enjoy Lego trains. And we'll have to get one set up in the city, the Lego City, and then we'll look at it. Alright, so that's a little demonstration of a Lego train for Train Talk for today. Okay, well that's all for today for Train Time 7. That was a lot of fun. We did a lot of interesting things today. And a week from Friday, we're going to try an outdoor live event at Flax Pond in Lynn. We're going to try to set up a small train over on one of the picnic tables and talk to some people about about interest in trains, to see if there's an interest in trains here in Lynn. And we will see you next time on Train Time 8.